Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the DiDi language into English. So let's get started right away. Now, if the DiDi language on your device is appearing in any other language other than English, then this is probably because your device has been set on a different language other than English, because there is no option to change language from within the DiDi app. So open up your phone settings, and now from the settings page, tap on the search box and then type in language and start your search. Once you find language, just tap on it and you will see the available languages that you have available for your phone. You can tap on your desired language, or if you don't find it, you can tap on the add language button. Once you tap on your desired language, tap on the apply button, and now this will change the language of your entire phone. And this also includes the DiDi application. Once this step is completed, if you open up the DiDi application, you will find that the DiDi application is also running on English language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language on the DiDi application to English. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.